Good morning, dear students. In this lesson, we are going to study about life in a desert. Students, in this lesson, we are going to study about life in a desert. When you study about desert, what comes to your mind is very sandy area with less water, little water, and which is very dry. And then what next comes to your mind is the camel and the peacock that you find there. So, the Great Indian Desert, it is also known as Thar Desert, and it lies in the southwest part. And the desert spreads over the western part of the Rajasthan. And we have learned about the basic things in our previous lesson, that is lesson 6. We have studied about the Indira Gandhi Canal, which is connected with the Bhakra Nangal Dam, and it had made the farming easier in Rajasthan, and as it supplies much water to Rajasthan, and farmers can grow crops like maize, gram, groundnuts, jowar and dates with the help of the irrigation facilities. And people are also engaged in rearing sheep, goats and camels. The shepherds usually move from one place to another place in search of green pastures. Green pastures means हरे भरे मैदान की तरफ घूमते हैं यहाँ से वहाँ शेफर्ड्स अपनी कैटल को लेकर. और इन लोगों को क्या कहते हैं जो यहाँ से वहाँ मूव करते रहते हैं अपने कैटल्स को लेकर अपने घर बदलते रहते हैं? दे आर कॉल्ड नोमैड्स. लाइफ ऑफ is very hard in deserts. Some nomadic groups like Banjaras make things from iron and sell them in cities. They are basically blacksmiths. Blacksmiths means people who make things of iron. लोहार जिसे कहते हैं. तो जो बंजारा पीपल होते हैं, as you can see in the picture, वो आयरन के डिफरेंट आर्टिकल्स बनाकर अलग अलग सिटीज़ में जाकर उन्हें सेल करते हैं. Camels are widely used for transportation in the desert because their padded field help them to move on sand. They can move large distances without drinking water. They can store food and water in their humps. Camel transport के लिए बहुत important है desert में. These are the reasons: their padded feet, they can store water in their hump. These all are the reasons why camel is important in desert. And owing to these qualities, they are also called ship of desert. Desert की जहाज कहा जाता है इन्हें. In deserts, one finds caravans. A caravan is a group of people who travel on camels' back. Means large group of camels are there, and large group of people sitting on camels cross the desert together. They are called caravan. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Its capital is Jaipur. Jaipur is also known as Pink City. Why it is known as Pink City? Because most of the buildings in the city are of pink color. Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer and Bikaner are the other important cities. People speak Hindi and Rajasthani. People like to wear colorful clothes. Men wear dhoti, kurta and turban. Turban means pagdi. Women wear ghagra, choli and odhni. Gangaur and Teej are the important festivals. Pushkar Mela, held every year, is the biggest animal fair in the country. Animal fair means जानवरों का मेला लगता है. यहाँ जानवरों की खरीद और बिक्री होती है. Okay, animals are bought and sold here in this animal fair. Jaipur, Udaipur and Mount Abu are the important tourist centers present here. The Hawa Mahal, the Jantar Mantar and the Amer Fort are the attractions of Jaipur. As you can see in the picture, Hawa Mahal is there in this picture. Udaipur has a number of places, palaces and lakes. Palaces कहते हैं महल को. And Mount Abu is a hill station. The Dilwara temples of Mount Abu are known for their beautiful carvings. Carvings means तराश कर जो नक्काशी बनाई जाती है, that is called carving. So the temple, Dilwara temple, which is present in Mount Abu, is known for its beautiful carvings. And the state is famous for marble, Kota stone and granite stone, etc. These important stones are also found in Rajasthan. Important points that you remember about this lesson is, first of all, that where does it lie? The Thar Desert lies in the southwest of northern plains. In the previous chapter we studied about northern plains. Now look at the map. This is the area in the southwest where the Thar Desert lies. And farming is very difficult in this desert. In the Thar Desert, Indira Gandhi Canal is very useful for the farmers because this has helped in the irrigation process. Camel is known as the ship of the desert, and another important thing is there, although it is a desert, the hill station is present here and it is Mount Abu. It is the only hill station which is present in Rajasthan.